Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore Filmora 12, a fantastic video editing software, and learn how to use it for beginners. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss any of our helpful tutorials. Alright, let's dive into Filmora 12. Here we are inside Filmora 12, a user-friendly and feature-rich video editing software perfect for beginners. Whether you want to create vlogs, tutorials, or short films, Filmora 12 has all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. First things first, let's import our media files. Filmora 12 makes it incredibly easy to bring in your videos, images, and audio. You can simply drag and drop them into the media library, or use the import button to browse and select your files. It's that simple. Once you have your media imported, it's time to start editing. Filmora 12's timeline is where all the magic happens. You can arrange your clips, trim them, and even split them into multiple parts. Just click and drag the clips onto the timeline and start creating your masterpiece. Now, let's add some transitions and effects to enhance our video. Filmora 12 offers a wide variety of built-in transitions and effects to choose from. You can simply drag and drop them between your clips on the timeline. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what fits your video style. Next, let's add some titles and text to make our video more engaging. Filmora 12 provides a range of stylish text options and animations. Just select the text tool, choose a preset or create your own, and customize it to match your video's theme. Adding titles and text can really make your video stand out. Now, let's spice up our video with some music and audio. Filmora 12 allows you to import your own music or choose from its extensive library of royalty-free songs and sound effects. You can easily trim the audio, adjust the volume, and even apply fade in and fade out effects. Music and audio play a crucial role in setting the mood of your video. Finally, it's time to export and share our masterpiece. Filmora 12 offers various export options, including different video formats, resolutions, and quality settings. You can also directly upload your video to popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and social media. Sharing your creation with the world has never been easier. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered the basics of using Filmora 12 for beginners. From importing media to editing on the timeline, adding transitions, titles, and audio, and finally exporting your video, Filmora 12 provides all the tools you need to create stunning videos. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy editing with Filmora 12.